What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of a brand new release from Lattafa. This particular fragrance is supposed to be a Lattafa original. Now I'm not sure if it really is an original or it's cloning something and inspired an impression, but let's see. So when I saw Dream of Haze, the bottle, it looked like a hookah. And I really loved how the bottle looked. So let's get down to it. And if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I will highly appreciate it if you will please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button on my videos. Help this channel grow. And once again, this is not a sponsored content. So of course, the outer material feels pretty premium. Beautiful, and it's a pretty heavy and big box, as you can see. It's pretty big. Let's see what we have on the inside. A booklet of all the Lattafa releases, I guess. That's what the box looks like on the inside. Wow, really nice. Brown, and it's a nice one. Let's see. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. It definitely resembles a hookah. Wow, beautiful stuff. The bottle's very heavy. Wonderful presentation, Lattafa. Hats off. So far, it's very promising. Let me tell you about the notes. So on the top, you've got mint apple shisha accord. On the mids, you've got cinnamon, lavender, and artemisia. And on the base, you've got tobacco, patchouli, tonka bean, and amber. Perfect time to get this particular fragrance. I got it from fragflex.com. First off, take a look at this bottle. Beautiful. And wonder, oh, okay, that part is the cap. It's very heavy, and the whole thing is metal. Wow, impressive. Let's get down to business. Okay, the bottom part is a bit flimsy. I don't know if it's moving, man. Oh wow, look, it just came off. Whoa, I gotta stick it back. Yeah, maybe I'll have to get some glue from Michael's or something. Lattafa, if you're watching this, please, the base just comes off, man. Come on, such a nice presentation. The base comes off. Not a deal breaker for me, but OCD. Let's go ahead, spray Dream of Haze for the first time and see what it smells like. I'm very excited for this. Nice atomizer. Ooh, you know it right away. You definitely get the apple, you get the mint, freshness, dark, smoky. 100% smells like a shisha lounge with that deep, rich apple mint shisha. But this fragrance kind of reminds me of something. There's a freshness, sweetness coming through. Almost like a sharp smokiness. The lavender definitely adds to more of that freshness, but in a floral way. I don't know, I have smelled this fragrance somewhere. Where? Wonderful stuff. Like, the smokiness is not overly done. I don't know how this is gonna go down the line. The tobacco is there. I kind of get that almost like a cherry sticky honey tobacco. Very soothing, comforting fragrance. Kind of like a sharp edge towards the back, but not too much. But you feel it, like a mild sharpness coming through. The apple is not super pronounced, but you will feel the fruity apple part. You will feel that. The mint is not overly done. It's not one of your cooling menthol kind of, or the gum kind of menthol, but you do feel it. The mint, fresh, like mild cooling kind of sensation, but not too much. I don't think the patchouli, I'm not sure how the patchouli is gonna play down the line, but you do get the ambery vibes. And this thing certainly has that pushing power. So Dream of Haze, Lattafa Dream of Haze definitely has that pushing power. Like, it does pack that punch. I don't think this bottle needs to sit and wait. This is like straight out of the box, it's ready to go. Definitely something you want to rock, especially when it's fall, like this time of the year, and of course during the winter time. Sweetness. There's more sweetness. I'm not sure how the tonka bean's gonna work out though. but some kind of like a powdery, effervescent kind of sweetness coming through. Fresh, effervescent, yet there's this warmth, fruity vibe, some smokiness. And the fragrance feels very rich, dense and rich. Does it smell like $1,000,000? 100%, it does. This thing definitely will stand out in the crowd, but again, I'm still having my doubts. Like, although people are saying like this is an original creation, but I think I've smelled it somewhere. I'll be back with a follow-up, maybe in one of the short videos, but I gotta go through my collection of, fall-time fragrances and come back and tell you what this might resemble, because I'm sure I have smelled this DNA. There may be subtle differences, but I have smelled this DNA somewhere. And I definitely have that fragrance in my collection. 100% I have it. Lovely stuff. So guys, that was my first impression and unboxing of Lattafa Dream of Haze, a 2025 release. Although they say it's an authentic release, let me know in the comments if you feel this is not an authentic one and what does this one resemble. I strongly feel this one's resembling something else. I'm not sure exactly what, but I know something. Like, I have smelled this DNA. I'm confirmed. I know it. So guys, if you have made it this far and not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Drop a comment whether you've tried Dream of Haze from Lattafa. It's a 2025 release. Beautiful smell, I must say. Like, for $60, beautiful fragrance. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Please take care, stay safe, and stay tuned for the upcoming review. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.